A staggering £1.9 billion, that's the estimated cost to the UK economy from the Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, cyberattack, a blow that sent ripples through the industry. This devastating incident, as revealed by the Cyber Monitoring Centre, CMC, has impacted over 5,000 organisations, painting a grim picture of the vulnerability of even the largest corporations. But here's where it gets controversial. Experts warn that the financial damage could be even more significant if JLR's production doesn't fully recover to pre-attack levels. The CMC's report highlights that the majority of the financial impact stems from the disruption to JLR's manufacturing output and that of its suppliers. The CMC, an independent, non-profit organisation staffed by industry experts, including a former head of Britain's National Cybersecurity Centre, is funded by the insurance industry. They categorise the financial impact of significant cybersecurity incidents affecting British businesses. The JLR hack was ranked as a Category 3 systemic event, on a scale of 1 to 5, underscoring its severity. JLR, owned by India's Tata Group, is expected to report its financial results in November. A spokesperson for JLR has chosen not to comment on the report. The company began to resume manufacturing earlier this month after a nearly 6-week shutdown caused by the hack. JLR operates 3 factories in Britain, collectively producing around 1,000 vehicles daily. This incident is just one of several high-profile cyberattacks that have plagued large UK companies this year. For example, Marks & Spencer suffered approximately £300 million in losses due to a breach in April, which forced the retailer to suspend its online services for 2 months. JLR was losing an estimated £50 million per week during the shutdown. The UK government provided a £1.5 billion loan guarantee in late September to help the carmaker support its suppliers. The CMC's estimate reflects the substantial disruption to JLR's manufacturing, its multi-tier manufacturing supply chain, and downstream organisations, including dealerships. What do you think? Do you believe the estimated cost is accurate, or could the damage be even greater? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss the long-term implications of this cyberattack on the UK economy and the measures needed to prevent similar incidents in the future.